No, them turkey tracks. Turkey, deer. Nice one there.
Them big bluegill ain't gonna come around here much. Not too much. I'm hoping this water ain't too stagnated for the catfish, you know, or too.
Oh, we had a lot of rain on it.
It's actually dropped about 6 inches in the last week.
Yeah. Shoot, 2 weeks of not having any rain on it. Good rain.
Yeah. Now the other day, the catfish were going nuts in there. You can see where the coons.
Oh yeah, tons of coon tracks.
Oh yeah.
I got some wire to make snares. I need to start doing that.
We got just that kind of willow tree off of the bank there. Got another one coming up right here. See it?
Oh yeah.
Just about to pull that son of a bitch out there.
Ooh, big old catfish.
Catfish coming up.
Nice cool evening.
See there? Son of a bitch. Die, bitch, die. That's one.
Ooh, it's a big in there.
Where you see this head? Still over there.
It's probably that 8-pounder. What's his name caught? Tommy?
I don't even know. It's a big. Well, that's a big one.
Yeah. Got that one on tape. There's a couple pounder there.
Yeah. I'm hoping he just didn't die. I'm hoping that. You know,
I'm wondering if we should change the food spot where we're feeding them at.
What it once you start feeding them, they say feed them in the same area.
Oh
That's
God,
nice.
2 of them right back to. That's 10 pounds of catfish right there. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. There's a couple bucket heads in there.
Yeah.
The one didn't live, I know that. Phew. Big jaws.
That's all I've been seeing coming up lately is 2 or 3. That's a small one there, so that's the 5th one I've seen, 4th or 5th one.
There's quite a few popped to the top. I don't know if they're all the same.
I wouldn't think so. Could be.
Oh, that one's too big. Whoa.
Yeah.
Ooh, another. Ooh.
Look at that mouth on that thing. Some says 2 more right there, so there's at least 3 or 4 in there that I've seen. And I ain't took any out unless somebody's coming in here fishing. I don't see any footprints around.
Nice.
It's not supposed to be around.
Nobody knows it's here.
Yeah. Brockman does.
Well,
He said, I like that pond up there. You got any fish in it?
it's a nice deer bed up here by the pond. It's got to be a big doe and a baby.
I brought my rifle with me that day.
Nice
And up here on the power line, I shot a
catfish
black bull.
skull.